Just painting this little pit bike now. And I was trying to put this little Chinese engine in this little four-wheeler, but the kickstart won't work on it, so I'm frickin' screwed. So I got all the plastics, gas tank and everything for the dirt bike. I have some different treads and rims for it too. So this is just part one of the pit bike build. So this will be done in a few days. Another coat of paint on the frame. Back swing arm used to be silver. I'm keeping the reflector, so I'm just going to tape it off. That's why I stopped the paint there. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.